Along with a completely updated design, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has some incredible new capabilities. Amazing new artificial intelligence features for the Z Fold 6 have been leaked, as disclosed by Mystery Lupin on Twitter. He continues, saying that we will also have lithography zoom, which can enhance zoom image quality for low-light shots, live translate, which will speak and translate foreign languages instantly from within the Samsung phone app, and generative edit, which will use artificial intelligence AI to move, add, or remove objects from your images. Next, we have a tweet from Ice Universe stating that the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra will support 4K videos at 120 frames per second. Since the Z Fold 6 also utilizes the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the same one that powers the S24 Ultra, it is probable that the Z Fold 6 will get this feature as well. It's highly likely that the upcoming Z Fold 6 will feature an amazing 2600 nit folding display. According to what Ross Young previously revealed, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would include larger displays on both the front and back in addition to a wider aspect ratio on the cover display. A Galaxy Z Fold 6 prototype has been tweeted by Ice Universe. Naturally, this is only a prototype, but numerous rumors have indicated that Samsung intends to alter the Z Fold AXS form factor. With a new form factor that many of us have been expecting for years, along with a ton of hardware and software changes, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears to be a fantastic addition to the series. The 7.6-inch foldable 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the same size as the device's predecessor. We anticipate increases in durability, color accuracy, and brightness. It has an 1812 by 2176 resolution and will be shielded by Samsung's most recent ultra-thin glass. Along with improved water and dust resistance, the new foldable display will also have less noticeable creasing in the middle. A 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED shielded by Gorilla Glass 3 will serve as the external display. It operates at 120 Hz. A 4-megapixel under-display camera on the internal display will come after the 10-megapixel wide-angle camera on the cover display as the selfie camera. On the back, there are 3 cameras, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel primary camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.